Students, welcome to Maths class. Today we will start a new chapter, that is volume and surface area. Now children, volume is to be calculated for three-dimensional figures like cube, cuboid, sphere, hemisphere, cone and cylinder. Now students, we will discuss the objectives of today's class. Children, objective number 1 of today's class is volume, total surface area, diagonal, lateral surface area of cube. And objective number 2, which we will talk about, is to find the side of cube when volume is given. So children, now we will discuss these two concepts in detail. Friends, before understanding the meaning of volume, let us discuss what are three-dimensional figures. So, three-dimensional figures can be defined as solid figure or shape, or simply we can say figures which have three dimensions like length, breadth and height. Now, here I have taken some examples of three-dimensional figures. First one is cylinder, next is cube, then rectangular prism. This is also known as cuboid. Next is sphere, after that it is pyramid, and after that it is cone. Now children, we will discuss the meaning of volume. First we need to understand what is the meaning of volume. So meaning of volume is the amount of space that an object occupies, or in simple words we can say that volume means capacity of holding something. For example, the amount of water contained in a bucket. So this is the definition of volume. Students, after the definition of volume, we will do definition of curved surface area, means CSA. This is the short form of curved surface area. Now what is curved surface area? Let us discuss. It is the curved surface area is defined as the area of only curved surface, leaving top and base. So curved surface area means area of only curves. We will not include base and top. So this is the meaning of curved surface area. So after curved surface area, we will do definition of total surface area. So what is total surface area? Total surface area simply means total area of figure, including top and base. So in curved surface area, we will include only curves, and in total surface area, we will include curves plus top and base as well. Now children, after the definition of total surface area, that is TSA in short form, we will do the meaning of lateral surface area. Now what is lateral surface area? Its abbreviation is LSA, means lateral surface area. So it is the surface area of all sides, excluding top and base. Curved surface area was the area of only curves. It is the area of only curves, but lateral surface area is the area of all its sides. So this is the main difference between curved surface area and lateral surface area, means LSA. Now children, we will do the units of volume. Now what are the units of volume? Units of volume are meter cube or centimeter cube, or we can say its units are cubic units. Units of curved surface area. Curved surface area units are meter square or centimeter square, or simply we can say square units. units of total surface area, as this is also the concept of area, so its units will also be square units, that are meter square or centimeter square. Similarly, of lateral surface area, its units will also be square units, that are meter square and centimeter square. So these all are the units of volume, curved surface area, total surface area and lateral surface area. So this was all about the units. Students, before doing the questions related to cube, we will do the formulas related to cube. So formula number 1 is side cube, meter cube or centimeter cube. Formula number 2 is surface area of cube. In short form, we can say SA of cube, that is 6 multiplied by side square, meter square or centimeter square. This formula is also known as total surface area of cube. Means when total surface area will be asked, we will do with same formula. After that, next formula is lateral surface area, means LSA of cube, that is 4 into side square, meter square, centimeter square. And last is the fourth formula related to cube is diagonal of cube, that is under root 3 into side, meter or centimeter. So children, these all are the formulas related to cube. Now we will do a question related to these formulas. Children, let's do a question related to the formulas which we have discussed just now. So statement is, find the volume, total surface area, lateral surface area and diagonal of cube whose side is 12 centimeter. So children, here what is given to us? Side of cube. So this is the value of S, and we have to find volume, total surface area, lateral surface area and diagonal. So let's start with the solution. Solution is, in a cube, side is equals to 12 centimeter. Now apply the formula of volume of cube, that is side cube, centimeter cube. So put the value of side, which is 12. So 12 cube is equals to 1728 centimeter cube. So this is the answer of volume of cube. Now next we have to find the total surface area of cube. So what's the formula of total surface area of cube? That is 6 multiplied by side square, centimeter square. Now put the value of side, that is 12. So 12 into 12 into 6 after multiplying will get 864 centimeter square as the answer of total surface area of this cube. Now students, after finding total surface area, what we need to find? We need to find lateral surface area. So apply the formula of lateral surface area of cube, that is 4 into side square. So put the value of side, that is 12. After doing multiplication, I'll get 576 centimeter square as the answer of lateral surface area of cube. Now fourth thing we have to find is diagonal of cube. Its formula is under root 3 into side. Now what's the value of under root 3? It is 1.732. Put the value of under root 3 and side, which is 12. Multiply these two, I'll get 20.784 centimeter as the answer of diagonal of cube. So students, this is the application of the formulas which we have discussed just now. Now children, we will do a question related to our second objective, that is to find side of cube when volume is given. Statement is, find the side of cube whose volume is 729 centimeter cube. So students, what is given to us? Volume. This is the value of volume 729, and what we have to find? We have to find the value of side. Now let's start with the solution. Solution is, in a cube, volume is equals to side cube. This is the formula of volume of cube, and volume is given to us in this statement. So put here under volume it is 729 equals to side cube, centimeter cube. This cube sign will be shifted towards left side and it will become cube root. So cube root of 729 is equals to side. So children, find out the cube root of 729 by prime factorization. I have found here cube root of 729. Now 3 is coming 3 times. This also coming 3 times, because in cube root we have to make group of 3. So 3 will come out of the root sign 2 times. So 3 3s are 9. So this is the value of side of the given cube. Students, this was all about today's class. Today we have learned how to find volume, total surface area, diagonal, lateral surface area of cube, and how to find the side of cube when volume is given. I hope that these two concepts are clear to you, and now you will be able to solve the worksheet that has been sent to you in Snap Homework. Thank you and have a nice day.